Hi, this is Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here with this week's Find of the Week. And this week we have these antique style, they're new, made to look old and rustic planters. And they've even got like a little antique style lock on the top of the headboard and the bottom of the headboard. And then they've got a galvanized steel bottom that you can see here, and it's about 18 inches by about 13 inches is the width of the pan, and they are really neat. They collapse down. You don't even have to use any screws to even put them together, just all the sides fold up and fold into each other, and you can see they fit right here together at the corners, and it's extremely sturdy, very sturdy, made of wrought iron. And you can tell it's made to look real rustic and vintage. And it's about 18 inches tall. All the dimensions will be on the website. But you can put your plants in here. These are just some geraniums. And you can put, some moss, in here to cover it up and make it look real neat. And I've got another idea for this that I like even better than this. When I saw this piece, I wanted to use it as a cute little dog bed out on the patio because Cocoa Bean loves to sunbathe. And so for kicks, I took a patio cushion. I put a little patio cushion in here earlier. We tried it and she loves it. But you can put a little patio cushion. This one's a little bit too big. But you can put a little patio cushion in there and make a little dog bed. Cocoa Bean. Let's see if she'll get in here for you guys. And then she can sunbathe, or your puppy can sunbathe, or your kitty. And I think it'd be really cute, like in a shabby chic or farmhouse or country style house. Inside with like a lace eyelet little sham, and as a little dog bed in the corner. And it's super sturdy, so they're not going to be afraid to get in and get out of it. And even for an elderly dog, you can see where the sides go down, and it's not very tall, so they can easily get in and get out of it without a problem. And it's cute, because let's face it, dog beds all over the house get old and ugly. Cocoa Bean, I don't think she's going to come and model for you all this afternoon. She's out hunting for turtles. Anyway, be sure and check us out on our website at www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com, where we have more than just antiques, and give us a like on Facebook. Oh, here she comes. Come on, Beans. She really likes it already. But there you can see it's a perfect size. Have a good rest of the day.